Okay, hi guys. So, hello. It is a new day and we're gonna tackle a bit of laundry. We're gonna tackle a bunch of stuff. It is technically Monday, but it's like Sunday, you know? So, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some laundry in and that'll get us started on a very full day of activities. So, let's go. This basement, ooh, very overwhelming, but we're gonna take care of it. It's not a big deal. First, we're gonna start by taking clean laundry upstairs. Okay guys, so I wanna take you on a quick tour of the bedroom to show you all the things that we need to get done today, because it's a lot. Okay, so first we have the closet. The closet needs just probably some general sweeping. There's a big pile of clothes back there, and then these are two things of clothes that need to be put away. My gym clothes are just in disarray. I've got this little storage area here, needs to be taken care of. A bag of garbage, just some random stuff up by the TV. Then this little area here isn't too bad, but needed to be dust and everything. And then over here, this is my makeup stand, and some stuff over here that just needs to be, you know, generally taken care of and dealt with and stuff. So I've gotten started by dropping a bunch of clean clothes on my bed. So I'm gonna get started with putting those away. There's plenty of stuff to do. I'm hoping that I get to show you guys a good amount of it. I also haven't showed you the bathroom yet, but that's also on this list of stuff to do and get done. So let's go ahead and get started. Yay! Also, my teeth look so white. I feel like the lighting is doing me some favors, because ever since I've had Invisalign, they don't actually look this white, so don't let it fool you. So I was able to get all the laundry done and put away, and I put fresh sheets on the bed. Very excited about that. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys quickly. Okay, I did an eloquii haul. They were doing like an end of year clearance event, and I bought a couple of things. I have gained some weight, and so I needed some size up stuff. A couple things that I'm not going to keep. I got these pleather pants. Absolutely horrendous. Not so much looking, just like very uncomfortable. Would never pick them. So I'm going to go ahead and send those back. And then a couple of things that I got that I actually really like. First, I got these shorts. This is a set. It's a tweed set that comes with shorts and a top. They had a really cute like little bolero jacket that I did not end up getting. I also accidentally deleted a different pair of pants and kept these pink pants. I'm on the fence about these. I don't know if I'll keep these. This is a maybe, but some for sure's. This very beautiful pink belt. Love that, or purple belt. It's really cute, very like bold. I love a good belt. This really wild tank top with a little cutout. I'll just have to find pictures of this stuff. And then this dress is actually super cute as well. It has like a little cutout. Like I said, I'll find pictures of all of this. Has a little cutout in the middle and a tie. Just stretchy and comfy. So today at some point I need to sit down and do the return process for those pants. And maybe these pink pants, I don't know, I'm also really considering keeping them. So I'm just putting everything back in this box along with the bags, because you know you can find the bag and all that stuff. And then yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys around while I clean up surfaces, and I'm watching the first episode of season 3 of The Sinner, so excited to see how that all works out. All right, let's go. So we've been up here for about an hour and some time, and actually it's looking really good. Cleaned up over there. I don't think you guys got to see, but nice and clear over here besides my eloquii box, and then bathroom. It's looking great. So this is not perfect by any standard, but it is good. Like, I did a good job. And also I don't want to burn myself off doing all this shit right now, so we're gonna head downstairs and start doing some more laundry and then cleaning up a bit down there, and then we'll do some dinner stuff. So let's continue the productivity. You guys, this candle, Cozy Nights, amazing. I'm gonna blow it out though.
The star in the Twilight series, but much like her third self, Robert Pattinson, Kristen Stewart has shown film fans what she's really capable of. The role requests the show about blowing audiences and never takes them away. One role the actor would perhaps like to forget more than the Twilight series, however, is likely that of 2007.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. I don't know what day it is. It's the beginning of July, and I am taking a mental health day. Feeling much better because it's literally 1 o'clock. So I pretty much got up this morning, took care of the dogs, and then laid down until about 9:30. Then ate some watermelon, made a latte that I think I might have shown you guys. This is my new favorite Starbucks cup. It's one of the like grande sizes, which I found I really like at home. Like, out and about, you can miss me with the grandes, but venti for life. But like at home, since I can make as many as I want, I'll take a little grande. I'll take a little baby drink. Oh, but anyways, I needed today, which is wild because I just came off of like a really great 3-day weekend, but I was, you know, mental health is something that is constant. It constantly needs to be addressed. You constantly need to be giving back and filling yourself up. You can't just do it like one day and be like, oh, I'm gonna feel good. So now that it's 1 o'clock, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and go out to this place called Radish, which is this new vegan place in town, and I've been wanting to try it, and I thought it might be a good place for lunch. So let's get ready really quick.